in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable the accessibility reader on your macOS device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is select the Apple icon up in the top left and then go down and select System Settings. And now on the left panel, select Accessibility. And then on the right side underneath Vision, select where it says Read and Speak. Where it says Accessibility Reader, listen to text in the Accessibility Reader app and customize fonts, layouts, and background colors. Go ahead and toggle that to the right to turn it on, and that is all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.